Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I'm back with Defamer Ember, and it's prompt number 3, which is the layered tag and a retro film strip. So yesterday we did the belly band, which is actually in upside down. Hadn't noticed. One of my subscribers said, "Oh, I was shouting." Oh, I didn't hear you. But I think it still looks okay. It wasn't the way I intended, but you know, I hadn't even noticed. And I photographed it and I've looked at it loads of times, didn't notice. But I think like it still looks okay. It's just layered a different way, but the numbers are still the right way up. And my card still fits in behind it. You know, and that's what makes our journals our own, the fact that we might not do it quite to plan. So, layered tags with a layered tag with a retro film strip. So I found this stamp. I knew I had one somewhere. I managed to find it in my stash. It's Inkylicious from 2011, so I'm not sure but if they're still on the go, but that's what I'm using today. And I'm also using a piece of acetate to stamp on. I'm making my tag from this paper pad because it's actually quite thick in paper. It's more kind of semi-cardstock than paper. It's Saint-Tropez by Prima Marketing. I have had this a long time. I quite like it because it's got a nice mix and you get quite a few pages of each one, and it is kind of junk journal-y, if you know what I mean, with a mix of little snippets of things. So we're going to use that, and I'm also going to use one of my old comic books. This one's Little Dot. These come from America, they're comic books. My late mother-in-law used to order them and collect them, and she loved them, and they've been passed to me. So they're quite old, but I have permission to cut them up and use as I would like. So that's what we're going to put in the film strip if all goes to plan. But first of all, we'll have to stamp this film strip, and I'm just having, it's there, I hadn't left out an acrylic block. Okay, so we'll just take that off that and put that in the middle there, and hopefully we will be able to, you will be able to see. Now, because we are stamping on acrylic and it's non-porous, the ink won't seep into that, it will just sit on the top. So we have to use Stays On. Not my favourite, but needs must when it's stamping on acetate. Every time I use my Stays On ink pad, I always have to dab it with some ink, even if it was just not long ago that I stamped using it, because for some reason Stays On just seems to evaporate really quickly, and if I don't put the little layer of ink on, it just won't work. So we have to do that. I find, I don't know, maybe I've had this a long time, so maybe it's just because the pad itself is dried out, I don't know, but the ink just seems to just seep in or evaporate or do whatever it is ink does. But if I get it on before it disappears and stop blaring, we're only going to stamp one. See, see they're soaked in or gone already. And I keep it closed tight. I don't know. I don't mind because I've had this a long time. Look, £2.50. Whenever was anything £2.50? Never. Well, at one point. Now we try and make sure that we're going to stamp on the acetate, because I can hardly see it myself, never mind you seeing it. Right, we'll give that a good hard press, and we'll actually leave it sitting there for a few seconds. And I'll show you that I already cut out my cards and I've added a couple of eyelets. Not cards, tags. So yeah, I'm going to use, so it says layered tags, so my plan is to join them with a piece of this tape just down the side there, so that it still kind of opens. And I've got today's little photograph, which is our little mini Christmas tree, and it's on a little white side table with a couple of those. Because these are white, you won't see against the white, and then the white of the, well, the walls actually are kind of that greyish, grey beigey colour. But there's two little white houses and a little ceramic Christmas tree and a little snowman, just to create a wee scene. And this tree was plain, but I've put some cream ribbon bows on it and added some fir cones in it, and it's got little twinkly, those wee mini lights by battery. So it's actually a pretty wee scene, and that's new this year, a little mini tree. And I thought I would just put it on that tag, and we'll have them together, and then I'll have my film strip kind of coming out at an angle there, and we'll put some twine or some sari silk or something in the tag. So that's the plan. Of course, let's finish off the yeah, that's not bad. We'll properly clean that, because it stays on. Will not do it any good if I don't clean it. So we'll leave it over there, and we'll give that a minute to dry. It's actually better on that side. I wonder if I could just cut it out just now while it's drying. So we weren't planning on getting a bigger tree. We were going to just have that little tree on the table and a few other ornaments, and of course the fireplace, which we love. But in the neighbourhood, everyone has got beautiful trees at their window, at their bay windows. And I think one of those real trees in a pot, which is, you know, a real tree that's still alive, hasn't been cut down. And how are we doing here? That's actually dried already, so that's good. Good, and this looks really good, I think. Yeah, because we don't have anywhere to store a fake tree, and I was thinking if we get one of those trees, yeah, plan in my head, it seems to be working. Then we can put it out in the garden once Christmas is over, and it can grow. And there's actually someone who will come and take your tree away for you and plant it in a forest with the other trees. How cool is that? Which means the tree does, it's good for the environment, and the tree won't die and go to waste. I think I need to cut them down a little bit. I'll take a little bit off that. And a little bit. So these are just cut out from the cartoon. So I just found a couple that would be the right size and just cut them out from one of the pages. And I was trying to figure out there which one would make sense. Like, she's obviously got an envelope and then she's in a hurry somewhere, and I thought, right, so this one seems to be first, and then she's in a hurry, and then she gets to where she wants to go. I think that's probably what the story is. Yeah. Right, so let's see if we can just put a little bit of glue down the edges, just to put the little pages on. And I've got glue on the front already. Never mind. Oh, I think I quite like that. Let's give that a wee rub. Oops, that's coming off. Right, so I think the next thing we need to do is just attach this in this while it's handy. So we use a bit of this. Let's make sure we can get this the right way around. And try not to get anything upside down like we did yesterday. Yeah. I wonder if it needs another bit in there, just to make sure it's going to stay. That's going to make it a little bit bouncy. Right, now I'm going to write on here. I'm going to do a little bit of writing. Yesterday we wrote on the journal card, and I also need my number 3 on. So where will we put number 3? Maybe up here. That's just VersaFine Onyx Black. Best ink for everything. And that's going there. And we will write 4, 12, 24. And put that there. We'll do a little bit of journaling on the back first. This year we have a tiny tree. I added bows and fir cones. but we may still get a big tree. Exclamation mark. There we are. I will look back at this and think, well, at that point I will know if we got a big tree or not. We'll just pop that on there. And it's starting to stay down. And then put my little postcard back in the book. Pop my there. So just down that side. And then I will need to go and fetch. I haven't left out any twine. I forgot about the twine. Right, back with some twine. I've got some black, some red and some stringy neutral. I think we'll go with the black. So just a little bit doubled over and pushed through. And a little bit for this one. And then we'll need to find a good spot in the book. I was maybe going to double this number 3 up with number 4 and just do the one video, but I thought, oh no, I'll catch up one day. One day we will catch up. Right. Right, well, I hope nothing's upside down. I've got my little bit of journaling there. I've got my number, my picture, my layered tag, 2 layers, and my film strip. And actually this could go like on a page. No, it couldn't really. No, it needs to be tucked in somewhere. Where will we tuck it in? I could take them out there. And I could tuck it in there. That's quite nice. Is there another? There's a side one. Oh, but then I wouldn't see the film strip. Yeah, I think we'll do what I said there and put it in this little pocket there. Yeah, pleased with that. They can do another page. Okay, I think that was quite short and sweet today. So, yeah, thanks for joining me. And if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.